Hi guys, so this is the second video of today and we are solving the fourth question from NeetCode150. It's based on group anagrams. It's a medium level question. Given an array of strings, STRs, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. So we already know what anagram means, okay? Now we will be inputting an array of the strings and the output will be given as follows. Okay, so for this, we obviously need a key value pair. So wherein the key will be the sorted version of that string. So for example, first string is eat. If we sort it, it will be AET. And that will be a key, okay? So it's okay. So first, let's create our dictionary called hash map. Then we will iterate through the strings. So for S in STRs, sorted S. Okay. So we are storing that key in sorted S. Okay. So sorted S equal to stop join sorted S. Now, on sorting the string S, what the result won't be, in together. Like by default, it will show it as A, comma, E, comma, T. Okay. We don't want the result to be in this way. We want it to be in this format. And that is why we are using the join function in this manner. Okay. Now, if this key sorted dot underscore s is in hash map, we will simply append the current string in that key, like we will add the value. Okay, so hash map sorted s dot append s. Okay, and if it's not, then we will create a new key value pair with the key as sorted s and the value as s in the list format. Okay. Finally, we will return our values from the hash map in the list format. So I hope you get a clear idea about what the question is and what they're asking for. Let's try running it. Great. Okay. So that was the solution. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment and you can follow the GitHub from the description below and ask me your doubts via Instagram or the comment section here. Thank you.